Think you can survive the next global pandemic? Let's find out. The world changed overnight and it could happen again. Are you ready? Step 1. Stock up smart. Panic buying? Big mistake. Instead, build a pandemic-ready pantry. Focus on long-lasting foods like canned beans, rice, oats, and peanut butter. Don't forget water. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day for 2 weeks. Health supplies are key. Masks, gloves, disinfectants, get them before the rush. The basics, wash your hands and wear that mask, but let's go deeper. Wearing a mask incorrectly? Might as well not wear one at all. Cover both your nose and mouth. Viruses live on surfaces. Wipe down high-touch areas like doorknobs, phones, and countertops regularly. Stay 6 feet apart. Remember, social distancing isn't just for others, it's for you too. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've got more. Pandemics can mess with your head. Stay grounded with daily routines, exercise, meditate, read. Don't isolate emotionally. Stay connected with loved ones virtually. Host a Zoom game night or just check in. Help others when you can. Support your community because together we are stronger. Survive and thrive. Are you ready? Like and follow for more survival hacks. Surviving a global pandemic isn't just about staying indoors, it's about smart preparation, protecting yourself, and supporting your community.